This video of short message to Lovely. 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 Come here. Your own won't come too much. You don't understand. A lot of una when you just interfere, they talk. Una don't know what will happen. Because the person when he do something, at least he not go come out, come talk, say he do something. He go find way to defend himself. You don't understand. Lovely. I won't ask you a question, just a simple question. Now me remove you for husband house, so you tell you get respect. Now you come out for man when you say you born 3 children for. I talk as any video when I come across, I go to reply, you wake up. Oh. I just wake up. I just say me I wear this shirt. You know, say I'm not even prepared for it. Lovely. Now me remove you from some husband house. Now me, which pride single mother gets when you say I dey disgrace single mother? You sure say Frank go come out, come talk what really happen? Because I say me I no analyze them. Me I no analyze what happen. Because I don't want me to analyze them. You say man no get shame. Invite me Lovely, I don't know what they call her. Invite me her. You say me I enter house, me I get shame. Shame of waiting. Shame say I test. At least I test. I'm not denial. Me I get shame because you know they do. All the Igbo guys who you take the hustle, you the carry. All of them, they not be man. They not be man. 30 minutes because I won't go cook stew. You don't understand. My son will go church. 10:45. You don't understand. You don't do. You don't do. I suppose get shame. Say I do bola because you know they do. You don't understand. You know they do. Lovely. Lovely. I don't know what they call them. You know they do. You say Frank, I suppose get shame to enter house. If I tell you say I get shame, you know yourself. You not go reason and say I decrease. Lovely. Lovely. You say I dey disgrace single mothers. We see which woman when you not get disgrace, when you go leave her husband. Now me remove you. I don't know Frank before you come up for your husband house. When you say me I get shame. You decrease, I dey husband house. You know that I talk you know say I talk yesterday say all the idiots when they talk to me, I go reply all of them. Anyone when I come across a video, I go reply. Me I not the fear to tell the fuck nyash. When I dey mad. When I don't bath. You say me I get shame. Get shame of waiting. Say I do bola. Well, if man not woman, responsible man. If only one thing when I go take rest for this matter, make Frank come out when they toast me. May he go talk truth of as it really starts. Man, they toast you, never see you for face. He don't they tell you something you get belly for him. May you get belly. I see one caller they call for Frank video yesterday for night. People wait me, I sleep well. I finish my sleep. I call sleepless night for Frank, but it not be me. I not get shaky. Say me man not get shape. Say that one say no a dumb man go carry me. Who tell you? You know how many a dumb man go carry me? You know how many a dumb man they toast me? And I saw Frank, he said that Ghana people they toast me. Now you call they toast me now. If you as a shameless man see woman, who be me? Man when they describe woman Bekus. Me when you not first come at now my uncle they scared of. Lovely, you are very stupid for saying all the trash you said. You don't understand. Said that was looking me as a responsible woman. I'm still that responsible. With Frank talk, I'm responsible. If Lovely not useless. You not see Frank video when he talk say now document if you want use me get go back to a baby mama. You not hear her for him mouth for the video. Go and watch his video. Say now document if you want use me get go back to a baby mama when he return bride price. You not hear her Lovely. Send this video to Lovely because I be try get a number for her page. I not get her. I even send her voice message. I ask her whether I me remove her from her baby papa hand. When he say, so single, are you crazy? You they talk out of points. Say I do bola. I test. Man, when he say he can't help me, I just test. I commit crime. Say I may get shame. Say, well, not shame for man to come out. To describe woman Bekus. Are you crazy? If a man can come out to describe woman Bekus, who are many and block this on Zoo? It's your me enter house. You know it's war. Who am I? Who am I? Man, when they describe, which say, na man, woman, fit carry. Make the carry. Make the carry. I care. Ije. Now, me start to the friend. That not be woman come meet for Jamie when he put her for Calaboso. Not be woman put he come me not good. I agree. Say I'm not good though. You know they complain for person finish. I agree. Oh. But if me not good, the other woman when he put her for prison for Jamie, another single mother when he beat the king when he put her for prison. That one not still good. Woman when he got meet for Italy when he pursue and come up for us. That one not still good. He baby mama when he born for her for Nigeria. That one not still good. You hear say me and friends. We do. We not friends. Because he not agreement with friends. When they toast me, I tell her, say, guy, if you meet single mother, investigate, friend, date. All it was after, now make her get pregnant. Because he come and come they lie. I just they believe in lies. You people are so used. Love me for saying all the trash. You are the most useless woman. Because you don't get sense. If you get sense, you know they believe Frank. When you know say Frank now, you know say Frank will come mad before. Tell you say me I get belle. Frank now he waiting make her come. It now me I get belle. Now 1 week he be won't spend. I can't get my period when he come. If to say I want me I get belle, why he be saying when I take my period when he come? As he see I say my period, I get my period. He come give the time. May he get me give me belle before he come. He not now make me come Mommy Rita. Now make me come Mommy Rita. You don't understand? Now make me call her. Say, he say me again, if I'm not born for her, he not go pay my bride. Frank tell you say you won't marry before. When you go to talk, say, as he see and say, you not be kind of woman. I not be kind of woman because I not be that stupid woman. Waiting you want. Wait, not be waiting I want. Not be waiting you want, me want. If they look for woman, we won't get belle for her. Collect documents. They go back to a baby mama, you don't return bride price. I was so smart. My own, I give her a condition. He not fulfill them. Frank tell you say you won't marry. Frank tell you say now he become come marry me. You not watch the video. Say now God if you expose him. You not watch the video when he use him man talk and say if he won't just use me get paper. Say me tell her say I get passport. Me I not tell her like that. I not sabi lie. I not tell her. But because they try to cover up, now they believe he wears. Make shame not come, make shame not come. Now so it be now you must suppose defend yourself. Please share this video, go meet this girl. You must suppose go meet you. Go defend yourself. She is supposed to come out to express herself. Tell Frank when he come out, come swear. Whether before, not be, if before he come, he don't they beg me and take him for her. Tell him when he come out, if he swear, I'm not going to come out again for live video. Only, I can't even tell her, say, may I give you my baby papa, may you go investigate me well. If I go suit you. He not want boyfriend. Frank don't need boyfriend. Girlfriend. Now, woman, when you get deep pregnant, take a duro, now Frank be. So all those ones, when they come out, when they try to convince Una be the stupid person when they listen to Frank. Frank don't need woman when they want marry. You know what marry? Now Frank say if he marry later, if I suit her, but I'm not good. He don't monitor me. He don't know whether I be the kind of woman. He they tell me I get belle. I be fool. You know they think. You know they think. If you know woman, you go for courtship. You go friend that woman. You go know her character. If guy is not taking, you even ask her, you ask of the baby papa to know what the reason where the baby papa tell leave her. If her character go, I'm not a desperate woman. If I'm desperate, tell Frank make it come max, make it come swear. If I not tell her, say me I give her the number of my baby papa, may he call him, may he ask her what I do him. Say we not quarrel. See as we tell her to say I dey allergic to distance relationship. Ask him if I not really get that character. What if I really do bad for who I born for? What I go tell her, say me I give her my baby papa number. Ask her whether I not tell her. If I not tell her this morning, may all the old head people when they watch me for this video, may it buy me. I tell Frank, say me I give her my baby papa before he talk of belle. May all the head of his social media to not tell George may it buy Frank. If I not tell Frank, say may we date, may he investigate me, may he monitor me. Say I come they lie against him. Me I not last reach my mama. If I tell Frank, say, may we date. If guy is not taking me, I'll give you the idiot on I born for. In number. May you go ask her whether we quarrel. We not quarrel for her. So, now true from distance relationship. Now it separate us. May all the women, as soon as they judge, may not buy Frank. If I come out, can't lie. May I never know peace for the rest of my life. If I lie for what I talk, say, Frank, may we take, you need to know my kind of person. Frank, not get patient. Now, may I take it? May I take it? May I take it? May I take? May I not know peace? Say, I tell Frank, say, I don't want to get belle. May he investigate me. May we date. May we know each other before you talk of belle. As soon as they judge against me, when our children go grow useless. If everything went Frank, may what I talk? May I say Facebook, he did against Facebook. He did against Facebook. That be one is treat the video. You don't know whether I see the life. Me, I check them first. Me, I check them. If everything when I talk, say I just say me, I come out, can't lie against Franco. Say I see the life. Say I just come out, me, I can't lie. Make people for believe me. This year 2022, me, I don't get favor. If I tell Frank, say, may we date. May we know ourselves. May we know, make me, if you guys not take me, I'll give you my baby papa number. May you go ask. If I be that kind of woman, when you want. He was not patient. All he was saying, now for me to pregnant. My spirit, as soon as I judge this case, una can never know peace. Una can never know peace for the rest of una life. You know, woman. Now me, they just until they preach. Yes, I'll be responsible mother. I better pass you. Lovely. I better pass you. First, I said you was once married. You don't understand. If you was once married, but the husband has not contained, not be me pursue you, not be me saying you don't see God, that talk like that they bring on a shame. You not first get pride. If you get pride, you first stay with your husband. So mind what you they talk. Be sure of what you are saying. Now me wise, now me smart, now me even God even protects. Now me God even protects. Okay, I get time to use belly to hold lamb. Now I call people. Now I call my friends. Say, see what in the shop. They can't tell me, say, try it like this. Since he said when you get belly, try it like this. If he fall, you will not say na idiot. And as they put them, na so it be. When I call Frank, say, Frank, I don't know say na so you be. So if you want to deceive me, give me belly. After I don't get belly, you can't they talk nonsense. He say, if to say you tell me say na prank, I for come for New Year. If I lie, why would not they believe Frank? Now today I know say Frank na very stupid person for this media. Why would not they believe your word? When I know this I say na me get shame. Say na today man come out because say na so you sleep with woman. Lovely. I just say you still get sense. You be say you still go school soon. You not get sense. Now this one I can't say and why they raw. To sleep with person nowadays na new thing. And you not carry like make us come out. You know I don't give you any wune. I don't wune. For how many bola where they don't come and say and to vakaran. She for dog banner. She for dog by. She for dog by. You don't understand. Lovely. You not get sense. For everything you just talk, you not get sense. If you get sense, you reason. Man, when if you come mad, you don't know woman. He say, me woman get belly. You not toast down. You toast down. You never see. You don't talk about pregnancy. You not judge against that one. You don't get photo. Now who can't get sense? Say, let me give a try before I go further. Now you can't stupid, abi. Now the person not can't get sense. Now the person not can't get sense. Make for come mat. Make he can't swear with his bola. With his only pikin when he born. Say, he not tell me say, me I get belly. I can't tell her say, no, I'm not the get belly until I am properly married. Or we have to date. We go, no. If guy is not taking me, I give you my baby papa number. May he come at me because I put for that word. Say I not tell her. If I'm a desperate woman, I really offend your egbo when I born for. I not tell Frank. May he come at. May I give her my baby papa number. May he go confirm her first before he go say born for me because I know one made mistake. You don't understand? I know one mistake. If I desperate, I know tell mommy I give her my baby papa number. Ask him if he go talk truth. And Frank, if you not come, I can't talk truth. My spirit, you can not those cause so that they cause me and not God you. You will not say everybody's spirit not be the same. You will not say everybody's spirit not be the same. You go know. Come out of the world. Tell them what happened. Tell them as it starts. When you they toast me now, everything you they talk now, me are taking. Come out, come so and put all those idiots. This one go, maybe this one will be the last video because the rest now idiots. One of those idiots they talk. Come out. Come say it. Say, when you they toast me, I really put mind, say, I won't born for you. I really put mind, say, I won't born for you. Come out, say the truth. Make devil for shame. Because I be fool. I be learner. I don't get sense. I just know man. For the first time, I go open legs, I won't take him. Or, man, when he come my house, I say a different, lovely. What in me experience, you know, if you patient time. Man, when he be say, no, but it hot like fire with different women. Yo, I'm not sure say your husband slap you when you take pursue him. You see man when he come out say he they receive different women call. I talk, he slap me because he come out of public. You say take brag. You say that kind of man, woman not go out down. As your local mentality rich. As your local mentality rich. You say man like that, woman not go out down. Not be me come out call the cry now say he slapped me, oh, he slapped me. Carry me on a carry because I not get chance. So because I not believe on myself. Mona carry. I tell you say matter still me. Agbera we don't pass there. Agbera we don't Agbera. You don't understand. Person come out say he won't come help me. He tells us why you busy not invite us. What to make me still agree? What to make me still agree? May he come. I need the help. Why you not come before now? Why you come be saying now? Why you come be saying now when I need the help I call Lara to come? Now not get sense. Why you not come? You hear say now today start to toast me. You hear say now today start to toast me. As he just he toast me, I cause something, get cause he give me strike opportunity. As he say me I may come. So why not call the cry? If I tell you say what I feel all those rubbish when they talk, he enter me. La. So lovely. Not be me commoting for your husband's house. Talk like say you first responsible. Talk like say now they give you now disgrace. You not fair responsible. All the responsible women, they tell husband's house. You don't understand? All the responsible women, they tell husband's house. So I beg, go back to your baby papa. I not get any disgrace when I give you now. You don't understand? I not get. I even make una less sense. When I know they carry belly again. You see, man, when you say you know, hello, boy. I know talk to Franco. I don't get time again. I know all those he useless caller when they talk nonsense. Say, he said I want use money Ola. Okay, according to a caller, I want use money oh Frank. If I already want use money oh Frank, when I sure say this thing for comments. You know, you say he tell me say me I give him 1K before he help me. Why I not give him? When who was there? They call her rek and then have him and support her. So now call warish. As soon as I call warish. He said I be want use money Holland. And Frank say I be want may I tell you what you get any time when you discuss anything property. You get any time apart from call when I follow you do for this house when I make for your present. You get any time when you discuss property. Apart from call when I make the record even just sit there your phone. You get any time when I take this it to say as Frank open and reach I tell her say I go give you 5,000. You go even talk to us for me. They say for una they talk out of points. Una they talk out of points. Say I be want use money take Ola. I be want use this one take Ola. And I not give her €1. I won't use the money take Ola. They say now men when get sense. Now una not get sense. You are the people that una not get sense. All those stupid color, una not get sense. Una they talk out of point. I won't use money to Oma. I won't Oma. I go pretend get belle. Or assist now and in ready to give me belle. Now if they ask for belle, I go get the belle. 2 years not go hear. Una get sense. Una just they talk trash. Una feel say una they motivate. I'm very, very responsible, okay? I too responsible for Frank. Now me cannot fit cash me. Irresponsible. Now they jump from one woman to another. Irresponsible. Now they jump. Eh? Irresponsible. They say I won't use belete ola. Me I get shame. I go get shame. Say I bad person. Say I bad person. Every man get shame. Every man get shame. I was too smart for Frank. That is the main fact. God love you. He said Frank, God look at say not be the kind of woman when he go fit. Frank, lovely. Frank tell you say na woman when you won't marry, now they fine. Now baby get Bella association, now Frank P. So all those also they talk now out of points. Now baby get Bella, now Bella come they found one giver, may take go put one for grant. You don't understand. Now who he won't give Bella, may take stand the leg. Now they fine. Who he won't give Bella, now they fine. So all those also just they talk, okay? You are talking out of point. You don't know what it happen. If I say make I take time, go analyze everything. And I know see photo me, but it go too long. It go too long. It go too long. You don't understand? It go too long. You not go fit get that patient. Maybe I tell you you dey quiet with your children. Maybe they receive women call up and down. Okay, me I pretend say I won't marry. Abi? Yeah, get on door. Me I pretend. Me I dey bear such nonsense. When different women they call and go quiet from how quiet. So say me thank God say never pack come meet me. I not blame una. As una not go school. Una not get sense. I don't need to talk to una. I don't need to. Anybody when I go talk to, I go not say una get sense. You don't understand? Me I call the happy for man when he be say if you won't deceive me, knock me belle, man when he call letter come out on public, for me say he won't be give me belle to just me get people. Una not watch the video. Una not watch the video. Una not watch the video. I was the smart one. I was the smart one. Okay? I was the smart one. More than go check my first video for Proud Mom Gist TV 1. Me, I carry this, but this shirt today. If I don't wear and worry, I don't wear and wear. I'm not they do beauty contest. Eh? Ma, when I not see the first video when I do for Proud Mom Gist TV, when I call the talk, say, he say me I get Bella, because me go pay my bride price. Who contest spirits? I not call name. Now, what I see, what I experience. Not be start time, I don't see him from another person's hand. You don't understand? When I go check the video, when I go say, man, one boy they toast me. Any smart, you never see me, say me I get Belle. When I go check the video for Proud Mom Gist TV 1, for my other page. For my other page. Who called desperate for man? What did they? And he never see me, never watch me. He never observe me. He said me I get Belle. I said me go pay my bride price. He got they call me desperate. I go say you when he say me I get Belle. You not desperate. Now me when he get sense. Because I get sense to say, go pay my bride price. Now me desperate. Who first, go check that video. Whether Frank don't come out before I do that video. Now what I see, I they see from my hands. Me go they toast you. When I never seen a baby get Belle. Ask her whether I don't, you know, be only wow. Other boys they toast me, we know they see. Only one thing that they talk about, if you get Belle, if you get Belle, if you get Belle, I'll go pay your bride price. Now I take bomb, picky when I bomb. So I come mumu again from 50. So man, when they tell me say me I get Belle, I never get the Belle. You don't come out talk say if you won't use me get documents. You don't hear the story, you not hear them. Okay, Frank tell me say the friend Zimbabwe, Liberia, Somalia woman. He be tell me, you not hear when he say he gets Somalia woman when he go to Tutuvaka. Not be brave. Who deceive each other? Who deceive each other? I not hear the word. So if to say this quarter not come, I go know the kind of person where Frank really be. I go really know the kind of person where Frank really be. If you tell me say he gets Somalia woman when he to Tutuvaka. No. You not tell me. You not tell me say he gets Somalia woman when he to Tutuvaka. You not tell me say he get a lot of girlfriends. As he come, everything open. To say they not come, we foresee they fuck for fun. We foresee they do for fun. Eh? We foresee they do for fun. So more na talk with you na know. More na talk with you na know. More na know the lie. Frank go come out, come talk say. Come out, come. Why not give her Toto? If I don't give her Toto, go. If I know test her. I want to test her. Say na very any person. If I don't give her Toto, I want to test her. Say I get belle. The person when he say me I get belle, me I try talk. Me I push her to the wall. Me I look at him and talk. I give her Toto and I enjoy her. You know, see as my skin got the shine. You could person say sometimes come. You don't understand. I give her. I don't give her. If I don't give her, what I get? Man, when they come out, they talk, say, sister, you go away, oh, you go away. I know test me, I look at whether really they go away. I know test me, I look at whether really they go away. Eh? I know test me, I look at whether really they go away. Eh? You know what put? You want put not free? I wanna say I could give her Bekusha. Okay. Relationship when you go work now to use Bekus test. Man, when you don't they toast you for long, you go come they look my face. Una mumusha, I've only marry. Una people like una they do a shawo. Una come at when they talk to person, they talk to person. See all those people when you just did their body, that they come at when they talk to me. Ah, wow, who agbesha? Wow, who agbe? Person come at the talk. Sister, you got bomb away. You got bomb away. You got bomb away. Tata. I know. Look at what they really did bomb away. I know. Look at what they really did bomb away. I need to test them. I go test them what they really did bomb away. If I not test them, what they not say really did bomb away. If I not test them, what they not say really did bomb away. What are you saying? I test them. And the work puts. I not lose. I be virgin. Only Mary me tap away me I be only Mary. I be only Mary. Okay, man, we don't they toast you for long. He can't spend 2 weeks. Oh, well, you know, people when they talk say you quick give us now year pass. Man, they toast you for long. He can't call your house, spend 2 weeks. If I can't tell and I say we don't do now believe. Who are gone? Only Mary. No, no, they do. No, they do. Man, spend 2 weeks from my house. He don't they toast me before he come. Because he helped me do something when money pass come out. I not go give me a test whether he really the bomb away. Sister bomb away. He got bomb away. I only made having be a gear shower when they pretend. Now that's poor pass. Now even ye pass. Now ye pass. So lovely. Just better. I enjoy that. I enjoy her. Why not enjoy her? Say easy. They talk, lovely come back when they talk to me. Cause you're a task, so better you're a task. Now you supposed to get shame to talk for what no concern you. Now you supposed to get shame to mind your business. Now you supposed to get shame to pick sense for inside everything. You friend go come back now. You can't tell us say, see how it happen. See how it happen. It go happen like this. If you not talk like how I want to believe. Say because I say not be my kind of person. Yes, I not be kind of person. I not be get Bella association. Man, when I try, I just try. You just fall. Man, when I tell say you they go single mother house. They see chocolate €1. You still buy and sit there entertain the children. And you not back when you ask me, I buy you tickets. Ask her whether not may come and come and say no ask me for tickets. Ask her whether not ask me for tickets. I buy. You won't tell me, say whether they not get papa. Now, man like that, you keep as a man before. As well. If I don't come out, if I don't carry friend, come out. You, lovely, you know me before. But tell me, you know me before. For you to tell me, say, na woman you be. You know, do faka for nothing. They talk trash. I talk about myself, the old fools. But you don't know yourself, I'll talk to now. I'll not find you first, too. If I not carry friend, come out, una be know me. Una be know me. You know me before I lovely. Not be YouTube by day. Come out, they talk, analyze rubbish out of points. They bring single more than that. You feel responsible. Now you single. You don't know how many years you thought you're single. You're responsible. Now they never marry your children. Now when you happen yesterday, now not responsible. I bet someone I get shame. And people like your daughter don't grow. And people like they come out, they live because your children don't grow. People like when see they also because they not cash you. Now come out, they talk to people. Say I just test. Me I get shame. And they are slavery. When it come out, you not come out want to make she get shame. Now me when you just to private private. You say I suppose get shame. He come out, they describe my purpose. He never describe your own purpose. He never describe a lot of purpose for this social media. Why my own content be special? Why my own content different? Now today he start to the describe purpose. Now today the best way they talk to start time when he got business and my own content different, lovely. If you really get sense, you don't know say that a way of life with that. Say man, best way you not even sleep with. You not talk say sleep with mama boy according to what you hear for social media. You not describe Bekos. A lot of Bekos, no get wife Bekos when they describe. Who go wife Bekos when they describe. A lot of Bekos when they don't describe. You don't know me before you describe it. If you get sense. Talk about the one when you can't call your ass. You can't describe my Bekos, you can't be muting. Happy? I can't tell you say I can't feel them. I can't tell you say I can't feel them. Or pour the Bekos when the person like Bekos to Bekos they describe. Eh? When I not get sense so. If they say this thing not happen, how many them not say they toast other women? How many them not say women they toast her for the okay, man, but they toast me. I go they friend her for phone. I not go invite them. Me I test whether it's good. Then they test. If it's good, you keep. If you not keep, you let them go. If you're not good, you let them go. I beg, beloved Frank, I not call you, I can't insult you. Come out, come swear, say, I not tell you, say, may I give you my baby papa number. May you, I beg, may we date, may we know ourselves, may you investigate me before you talk about pregnancy. Come and tell the word. If I'm not genuine, I really stupid as I think. I'm not telling that word. May he come out, talk to tell word. Say, me not tell her, say, may I give her my baby papa number. Say, I get stress for distance relationship. Say, me I'm the idiot when I born for self. Because I'm still idiot. If you not be idiot, we will date together. You don't understand? So, if me and I not date, if me and I not quarrel, really we not quarrel. Now distance relationship, make separate us. I even tell this also, may I give her a number, may go investigate me, oh, you not agree, oh, all it was after, me I take it. So, who smart me between me and Frank? Frank will come out, my own, I don't know. Hi, friend, lovely, you disappoint me. You really disappoint me for all the trash when you talk. For all the nonsense when you talk. Frank, thank God, say Frank not outside, they do a shower walk. I know he said na market at the carry. At least I know they do it back. May you tell police, may they come past my house to be assured whether I really they carry markets. You don't understand? May God reports me. Now there proof go day whether I really they carry markets. I know they do it. Well, you see my certificates. I register my markets. I register them. You see. So all those like, you know, listen. Frank no say we go quarrel as he come out. Honestly, all those also that they talk say as he see money, he supposed they feel say na money fling. He was never expecting it. Now me bring quarrel through phone because of the character, the way they behave. Because say I'm not giving what you want. You can't change. Now make me bring character come out for her. We not quarrel for that 2 weeks. Only waiting we for quarrel. And when they receive me call, I can't defense. He can't slap me. Finish. And I not come at put her for prison. But you know when they pursue her husband, when they come and say single mother, when you know the husband has commit abomination to test a man. If I not test man, how I want to know whether it's good or you're not good. I just carry belly, born like that. I beg Frank, come out, say to the world, come and swear. Say me not tell you. I not tell you, say me I give you my baby papa number. May you go investigate me. If I suit you, before you talk about pregnancy. If you what I talk, so say not like come out, swear put. Say if I tell you, say me I give you my baby papa number, may you go investigate me. If my character suits you before you talk about pregnancy. Come out, swear. Woman when you not good to man. Oh, I can't tell us only waiting my baby papa go see tell you say I caused him because he was acting strange, you were doing something what is not good. Now later when I go see now, what I tell Frank with that? I not get anything when I do the one the idiot when I go for. I not get. We not quarrel. If we get together for this assumption, I know they quarrel with man for us, so I know they quarrel with man for us. But they get problem for distance relationship. Distance relationship. I never put man for prison. I never put man for I never give man problem. You don't understand? I never give man problem. Me and man never fight for house. But they get problem for distance relationship. Frank, come and come say the truth. Come and say it to the world. If I really desperate as soon as talk, I go tell him, I go go to that extent to say, take my baby papa number. He said, no, no need. He said, no, no need. Frank, if I lie for this world when I talk, every blessing when it is Sunday, may I depart from her. If I don't lie, say I tell you, may I give you my baby papa number, may you go confirm to know whether the kind of woman when you want. All the blessing when they follow Sunday, may you escape them. You don't understand? I tell him. So if I get that bad attitude, say I really do bad to man, I'm not going to tell Frank, say, go and confirm. Because me, I'm not desperate as I think. Desperate woman cannot do that. Desperate woman cannot ask a man to pay her brothers or go take her to court. What are you people motivating? Who gets sense? Eh? Who gets sense among me and you, lovely? A desperate woman can go to that stage to say, take my baby papa number, or me with friends first, or go marry me. When I say I won't use Benete Ola, me I get shame. Now I don't get shame, because when they talk out of points. Send this video to Lovely. Send out to her, may see him. If I not share her, she not go see him. Lovely, now you they talk out of points. You really don't know the story. Not be today Frank has to toast me. He said, man, we already in a way, na a content be that. Now a way they as it they motivate to na be that. Not be Becco's description, now they do. Not be content. Not be Becco's description be content. Woman will not get character. Eh? You go give you baby papa number. Ask her whether you not tell me say no need. I ask her, say, me I give you no because I was not really I'm not ready to born. I'm not ready to born. For real. If I want born, today enough Frank I start to the do. Eh? Now today I start to the do. I tell Frank, say me I'll give you my number. My baby papa number. Go and investigate me. Frank, if you say I lie, God. If you say I lie, I don't tell you me I'll give you my baby papa number. Today na Sunday. I first when I want to swear, but when tell me the kind swear when they quit the key person. Me I swear put. Mona swear me wanna put them. Mona put them. The kind swear when I want me swear. When you go really quick take my life. You don't understand? Mona tell me the swear when I go swear. When you go make me bad today. Say, I'm not tell Frank. If I really got that spirit, I'm not tell Frank, say, I'm not the rush, so I don't first make mistake of my life. And document joy when I tell me that mistake. You don't understand? I beg, let me give you my baby papa number. May you go investigate me. If I be the kind of woman where you define, Frank, come out of the world. You know, woman, when if you tell man that kind of thing, eh? Frank still talking for a video. Say, I tell her, say, I they get problem with man for phone. He talk her. He talk her. He talk her. I tell him, say my problem. I know they like distance relationship. You know they favor me. Me and man, they get problem. If you want me, we walk. You say me, I born for you. Leave for Igbo. Go take count for grant. Make the transfer you come meet me. Not be woman when the new way for man be that. To show how responsible I am. Yes. To show how responsible I am. Okay. I first born. I'll go get belly for man when he dey on that woman roof. Me I delete. Me I block some idiots. I know say na him. Me I block this idiot. If you're not be life in quoi. Edes. Tell her, may come back on swear. Say, I not tell her. May I give her the idiot when I born for. May he go investigate me. May he know whether I really offend them or I not offend them. Tell her, may he come swear put. If I desperate, I will go so low. To make the baby papa go expose me, Abi. May he go expose me. May he go expose me. If I really get what I do that boy, may he go expose me. I tell them, say, I'm not the rush. I'm not the rush. I want them with friends before you talk about Bele. And before you talk about Bele, if you now meet single mother, now make them motivate women. Men, I don't make mistake. First, investigate that woman, what is her baby papa. I tell her, say, may I give you my baby papa number. May you go investigate me. You know what Frank tell me? He said no need. And if I can say it, that means I really claim. You know, care. Frank, if you say I lie, please come out to swear. Say I not, you know, reach the now woman like that, now desperate, Abi. Woman like that, now desperate. More when I go watch the video, I tell her, say, I they get problem for distance relationship. Not be everybody they favor. Some say they like him. I can't, that one way, I'm not me tell her, say, as he come, they insist, get Bele, won't go take her, put her for grant this January. Say, he don't first get problem. As he put her for grant before they give her tumtu. He don't first get problem with Chama people. I be really ready, with all my heart, I don't lie. Because I am in the heart here, Boji. I really ready to help them because the rate when they use documented, they laugh for this Deutschland. It was too much. But I don't know say go turn my good against me. You don't understand? I don't know say go turn my good against me. You don't understand? When they told me, I tell her, say, fine, I go help you. But see my condition. You must marry me first. Now that one, when they come out, when they talk, say, I say, me marry me. Yes! I said it. Court marriage, not even just marriage. Now, bride price. When it be a lot of fake bride price, man go get wife for us family because they say something go come out. They go plan out with family. The woman go agree, put. Then I can't go so low to say, go pay my bride. No, court marriage. Yes, I said it. I'm not denying. But now snap, he insists for me to take it for her. Maybe they go pull out for grant. That was the plan. That was the plan. So may not lie to defend itself. May not lie to defend itself. I hate people to when I say me I not talk. But when I go see what Frank they tell people now, they talk for the video say I be want use Bele to hold now. When I don't know woman when you want use Bele to hold man, he go tell woman, say he go tell me go pay a bride price. He go tell me give her a baby papa number. Frank, if you lie against me for this word when I talk, you can never know peace in the hands of woman. You can never find favor in the hands of woman. You don't understand? Frank came. I really prepared. Wait, say, let me give this guy a try. I purposely not give her that ticket money. Normally, as he can't help me, I supposed to buy her tickets. But I was trying him. Because I'm not a learner. Because I don't experience a lot of niggas. I just want to try him. If not that kind of man, when he be say, yeah, open for money. And before, as he come out, yeah, change. Okay, man, when he really love me, that's when he insult my children. Why he go wish a happy birthday when he be say, take away? That one I love. Now say me I not talk. When they not get call me, wait till I talk. When they not get call me, wait till I talk. I tell her, say, I never hear from her. But they say, na me first carry her into social media. How I take carry her into social media? When I go first, the first video where no get out. I tell her, say, I never hear from her. You say they insult me, I never hear from her. But we get misunderstanding. See what happen. But I not tell her everything. He say, me I talk. I say, no. If I want to talk, I'll talk her for my platform. Me I fair go watch the video where for the insults me. When they talk, say, as he see money from my hand, suppose he don't know say quarter go come. Now me as he come out, now quarter starts. So all those packages you want to take, they give her level. No. I hate lies. I hate lies. To give money to give, if I think give her ticket money for inside 2006, I go give her 500 euros. I not go check because he worked for it. He worked for it. But I just want me to look at man when if I tell her say as you they come my house, When say you back, I can't give my children. Then they see chocolate €1. You know what man when he say you love me, tell me. He said they not get papa. They not get papa. They go do now. So when I say they go for relationship, when I not the try man. Or for all the mistake when I don't make. When I say I get spirit. Get spirit of who? For the private jet when they drive. Private jets. When they drive. When I not me when they talk to me. When he even come my house. As he see the clothes when I wear, my clothes, no, even all those ones, all of the get name. He said, you know, as I tell you know, as he had me to toast you. He said, you know, as he had me before I toast you. He talk him. Say, I not say you get level. You know, as he had me. From when he be said, today I go block him. Tomorrow I go block him. Today I go block him. Ask him as we block ourselves. Before he come. Why you know? Why if you not come for mission, say mission not fulfilled. Why he not come out as I block him before he come my ass? Ask him what it takes to toast me. Ask him. Ask him. Honestly, I know say I was impatient, say women, they call him before. But if you be woman, say man call you your ass, not tell you say you get different women before. You got to do the same thing. And you go they tell you say, if a girlfriend, I don't know if say not be a girlfriend. You go they use until they do me, make they pepper me. Then you say you don't react. Say they give her what kind of level when me don't understand. Now they give her what kind of level when me don't understand. Why woman go they use your fellow woman till they pepper you make you not verse? Why? And that one now he did with her boyfriend according to them. He lose everything. Which responsible woman go for Frank these days? When he see us, he can't take fool himself. Now they say amigo, she for what? For what? For what? For what? For what shame? Me ashamed. Abi? To buy ticket for man. Not be say just come do me. Come. This share when I see that put na Frank Fisan. Person good, you talk for good. He not that bad though. He not that bad. But he might not good. He dey womanize. Yes. He dey womanize. Now very womanize. He not get respect for woman. Only there for bad. You know your bad finish. I don't think cause spoil the head. Say because of quarrel. Man, when the be say no, they concentrate on one woman. Man, when you really know what you want, forget money. Money is not everything. So I said you can also your money. Be content with the little way you get. Don't be saying they put out for this, put out for this, put out for this, put out for this, put out for that. They expect woman to be patient. When you are in Europe, respect woman, not be African mentality. Woman went from okay, I'm not good. In woman when you marry for Africa, you not still go when she return back because of the cost because Frank they cost her. The one when you put her for prison here who call. The one we put her for prison for Italy who call. I'm not say I'm not say my own temper body, but I'm not be that kind of worst person. I get all temper, but if you know what to make me reply, Frank. When Avelele insults her children, not be me. When she insult her pikin, when she insult her pikin, I call Frank. Frank said not be send her. But only waiting for him to bring my mind down to talk to me in a respectful way, to calm my mind. He tell me, say, if you go social media now, if you come out, I go come out. And some matter the hearts. Which woman, who person go insult her children when she go quarrel? When she not go quarrel? Now some man suppose act. Now see me I act like a woman. So say na woman be house. For all the embarrassment. Say I won't keep one everybody man. Abi? Because not only one be the man when he don't right. Not only one. If na better person, you need to calm my heart down. Say, leave this girl. I go handle her. I go talk to her. No. Just talk, say, if you come out, I go disgrace you now. For as he talk that word, now say, no wahala. But you know, come disgrace me now. Now I take come out for Afielele. Yes. Now I take come out for Afielele. But you say not be said Afielele, oh. When I listen here for the call, not being said Avielele, Abi, but the record when Avielele record me when he call me when I take food them. Now he plan for a platform, not being said Avielele. I what pay you yawa. Me I the fear on me I task. For now look me like who get shame. Now you know I'll share my shame. As I talked before, I'll share my shame. I not got me. I'll share my shame for no reason. I'll share my shame. Ma say me I get belle. And you open a base of say public figure when it be. I don't give a try, I don't test, you don't marry me. You don't marry me. You don't marry me. How much be ticket they not they buy for man? If man already know himself. If it was €200, but I'm not buy. I just want to know the kind of person that he is. But as he come out, say I cannot do. He can't do any then I can't bring topic say I get belly. He say, hey, you get belly. You get belly. Hey, this belly, if you want Bona just the one we felt get to. The pikin not get papa oh, I not go carry oh. For him mind, if he say I'll call the beggar, say I beg nah. Carry this belly. As he can't see and say na prank. You know what he tell me? He said, now you they push, now you let me they talk with you. I'm not supposed to talk. Frank, if I lie against you for this thing when I they talk, come out of the word and swear. Come out of the word and swear. Now what he tell me? I said, come on, see, push me. And I say, eh? God, you won't go give me belly. Tomorrow, you're going to tell me story. Which woman man go do that kind of thing when she not go provoke? Now you say me I get belly. I say, I see and say, you don't they change color. I can't lie, say, I get belly. He say, born pikin will not get papa. Go born just the one with birth. Pikin you never won't give you belly. Pikin when you want born, you know get papa. You know get papa. You know get papa. Born now, government go they pay you. Yeah, government you want born put because now so now they do it. Now the fair woman we won't give you belly. Imagine. What you might tell me? Man, when they force me to get belly, what you tell me? If I lie, a party, you are the witness. My conference call. After we don't block ourselves. I cry, puto. As you see why it's good to be wise. You see why it's good to be wise. You see the kind word what from tell me. I was very disappointed. I was very, very disappointed. Man, when he said, make me get belly. As you see, I said, because I not give her money or one thing, because of one misunderstanding. If they want to abandon the belly, I thought they use the belly to the beg her. And he was disappointed that it was a prank. When I got tell a party, he say, a pana prank. Tell friends, he say, now you they push me, they make me they talk with you, I'm not supposed to talk. If they say not be this thing when you talk, if they say not be the prank, and for call you, and supposed to you ask for New Year. Imagine. Why I not go first? When he make me first, now be that. Say, man, when you want to see me to get belly? Because we get misunderstanding. He couldn't deny the belly. He couldn't deny the belly. Say, bon pikin, bona. Yeah, you want if I want give you belly. Now belly you define. Man, when I be one help. Man, when I be one help. He turn my help against me. Say, now me define won't give me belly. I define won't give me belly. Say, I won't born for government money. Say, if I born I go carry the pikin. I go carry the pikin. When they come no say na prank, he regret with everything when he talk. He say, you not get belly. If you won't come for New Year, cause the plan and me I get belly. See, you not ready. Because you not say you dey lie. Now you make people they talk with you, I'm not supposed to talk. Why you they fuck up? Frank, I lie. Say I lie, comment, prove to the world, say, I lie. Men, waiting man too. They go do you that one. They go do you that one. And we are staging. I agree. Why not go staging? Yes, Ada, I believe you. But he not come and come talk all those ones. They talk, say, I be want to belete all lamb. Frank, talk truth. Don't lie against me. As I can see the character, the lies, as it happens in court. And we won't fall for another trouble. Ha! See where be they go. See where be they go. Why I not go stitching? I go stitching. See where be they go. I saw the quarrel, all of the court starts. Okay, as I've really placed calls on a daughter for Nigeria. You're not supposed to calm me down as a man, say, leave her, I go handle her. But he was pushing for a married, shame not gonna let me come out. And he forget, say, I not get shame. You cannot shame the shameless. Now, what he plan be that? Now be waiting all those lovely, having lovely talent, having any talent. I'm not good. My character bad. Now I say me I give you my baby papa number. And you as a man, when you get sense, you you don't need woman, you don't need belly, you don't care to take the number. You say it no matter. Say na me and you, me I forget her. You don't care. If man, when he really gets sense, you ask woman. If you be single mom, you meet man, the man not get paper. You not care what you make you leave your baby, my papa. You not say that man is after something. You not care. Until you get that thing. If you go use that thing, they laugh, you say, you good. Now your baby papa leave you. He not first investigates you. He won't give you belly. I really desperate. I was really desperate. I'm not blame una. As soon as sense rich. That's all I go reason. As soon as say, I tell you, still why it's rich. That's all I go reason. Man, I believe Frank. Frank, una don't know, say na liar. Una not know, say na. All my heart, not to follow Frank. But based on say I don't make mistake. I just want to try to know the kind of person when it be. And all my plans, it disappoint me. Waiting be okay. When they tell me, say, now all those guys when they toast money want to buy land. To say no fuck up, how much be land? 1,000 euro, how much for Nigeria? They're not the same land of 1,000 euro. Because the location was still good. They see 2,000 euro. You don't understand. But it was so naive, be the desperate person. When you need patience. Okay, Frank. I really stage, you know, according to you, this video I be saying not long. Because my son will go church. I really stitching. Before that YouTube money come, what I ask you? Let's be honest. Let's be honest. What I ask you, I say, this money, if you come, what you want to use at it? Remember, I be like me, I use at it change my share. How much be your share for inside? You know what you tell me? He say, what that mean not get what I be want use money to do? What that mean not get what something to use money to? Me no say about talking about what my agbe. He can't say me I not change the share. Say the share still dey clean. If I change my house as I said, I won't change as before I buy new chair. Maybe not beside the pack. Frank, I lie for them. If I really know, if I really stitching, before the money, what I ask, I say, what do you want to use this money to do? I be bad to my, I bad. I really bad at stitching. I really know about myself. Ask her what I ask her, what you want to use the money to do. Ask him. Whether me no ask him what to use, what you want to use the money to do. I be really bad woman. If I deal with man, not be saying I'm mad. Now what he talk now what I do. If I really know the respect man, ask him whether I know ask him what you want to use the money to do. Ask him. I be bad woman. I really bad. Now they take permission for a hand. He say I thought they do live video before you know me. I agree. Only one video when I do, it was not a bad video. Now when Ekia slave, they bring down Edo people. And that girl, when he come out for Agbo, he did my war, I will share her now. We did my war. When that girl, when they bring down Edo, that girl, when he come and say, Ekia too sweet, oh, Ekia too sweet, oh. Now there I can come and say, more than they speak on a language. More than they speak Bini, they know they can't all of una. As Bini, that one a bad video. Woman, when they come out to Vaga for social media, you talk to her. Advise them. You they talk to them to stop bringing down a Edo image. Now bad video. I was never into saga. To say I was into saga, people for know me for Facebook then. I for carry one name started to scatter. When I go by the Murphy side, I come out can't talk for public. No, I not come out can't talk for public. I not come out can't talk for public. Say as I waka, see as I not waka. I be a by the Murphy not tell you say I don't come yes. From there on I'll pick sense. I don't go a Pedro Murphy house. Last 2 years, this year just finished. I don't go a house. I don't eat for a house. So, why I not come out, can't do saga? For waiting I go when you no work. I for come out, can't use a part do saga. So they talk out of point, they talk with points. Video when I do, I not do bad, I never do bad video to insult people. I only do video to say, stop bringing Edo people down. That is the video I did. Say una get the character. Now una be single mother. They come and they teach people how to do Vaga. That one a bad video. Is that a bad video? So all those is useless call away don't know the truth. Bird of the same feathers. Wanna continue supporting him until the truth reveal. I pray make Frank jump woman when they get the kind of heart when I get. I don't know say that they see snake. That they see snake. Or your wall. But I don't know. I know say I'm not good. I'm fine. I'm not good. But if Frank good, not be only me my girlfriend as a single mom. Now the frustration where single mom put in, now they put for all the women body. You don't understand? Not be me concern. Not be my body for starter. So when I pick sense for you say everything when I talk. God bless you. Or may I go prepare my son to church because they get 45 minutes for Catholic church for children lesson. You don't understand? God bless you. Or please share this video. May it reach lovely hand. May lovely God pick some sense to tell us, say, everything we find they talk is all lies. Fash. Lies. If they talk out to him love, people when they first believe in him. You don't understand? He say he not be shameful, he not get opportunity, not expect say if you I mean they talk, if man come visit you, not bring quarrel. If you bring quarrel, he go fit thief you, he go fit record you, he go fit do anything. You don't understand? So people are very wicked. You don't understand? Maybe Pepe body when me and Frank we not quarrel for our ass. Only way if you slap me, we not quarrel. If they receive my call, now I talk. You don't understand? If they receive my talk or call, now I talk, he slap me. And if I'm wicked, I go slap him back. I'm not be that kind of arrogant woman. Not forget social media. Okay? I'm not the arrogant. Lovely no go take what me take. As body Pepe Lovely reach for Imunere. She not go take him. You are there with woman. Man, go they receive different women. Go say, maybe my children quiet. Then you go walk down my heart. You go walk that kind of my heart. But I'm not doing. He slapped me. I'm not come out on public say, he beats me, oh, he beats me. But it was so foolish to come out to disgrace himself. It may not say they follow one Somalia woman. But it's good. Sometimes when I quarrel, and everything open. Yes. It's good to quarrel. You not tell me say get different girlfriend. Not tell me say get one Somalia woman. You not tell me say na paper be one use me get. Now I said the quarrel, talk everything. So who come we? Well, I'm not go thank God. So lovely. Talk with sense next time. Not the interfere for waiting or concern you. God bless you all. Have a nice day. Bye.